Hey friends, thought I'd share with you what I'm up to this week. About a week or so ago, I shared my April thrift haul, and I told you that I saved back a few things because I were going to upcycle them, and I thought I would just do a separate video. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to give you a little before shot of everything I bought, and then in a few days I will film the after finished product, and then we'll have a complete video. So the first thing I want to share with you is something I picked up at Salvation Army. It had $2.99 on it. It was a half price day. I got it for $1.50. Now it looks hideous on the front, this galvanized coffee cup looking thing, but the reason why I bought it was when I flipped it over, it just screamed farmhouse to me in this coffee cup. So I'm going to take my Cameo and put a really cute little coffee type of farmhouse saying on it of some sort. Not sure exactly what yet. I hadn't found anything yet, but anyway, that's why I bought this for $1.50. The next thing I bought, and I did a video on this a couple years ago, I bought one of these little wood caddies and I upcycled it, and I'm going to do the same thing to this one. The last one I did a crackle finish, and my daughter took it away from me. She took it back to Kentucky, so I thought I'm going to make myself one. Now the one I had, I was able to put a couple clay pots in it, but this one is actually going to be for silverware and napkins. So I'm going to decorate it in a way where I can use it for cookouts and things like that. But you know, I'm not crazy about that finish at all. And so I'm going to upcycle this, and I'm going to love it when I get done. All right, the third thing was just a little plain wicker little tray. My outdoor patio furniture is wicker in my sunroom, so I'm probably going to spray paint this. This is going to be a simple little upcycle, so it'll match my black wicker furniture. The fourth thing I picked up were these little houses right here, and I didn't realize until I got home that these were just little Dollar Tree Christmas villages. But I tell you why I bought them is because they look to me so much like that Hearth and Hand little ceramic bud vases that they carry at Target. And they're certainly not 59 cents each. So with a little spray paint, those are very similar, and I can't wait to do that. They're actually little tea light holders. You could actually put a little bud, a little bud in each one of those, or just leave them blank, whatever. But I think they'll be really cute spray painted white. I love the shape of them. Now this one right here is pretty self-explanatory. I thought this was so cute. I love the shape of this little black lantern. Got it for 99 cents, and of course I needed some kind of globe to go on it. So I found this little globe for $1.20, and I am going to stick it in there and jazz that up just a little bit. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this on my patio or I'm going to use it in my bathroom. And last but not least, these are some shelves that I may or may not get finished with this week, but I still wanted to show you that I got these for $5 a piece. If you're familiar with farmhouse decor, you know it's really popular to put like 2 matching shelves above your toilet, and I found these, and I love the brackets. I just love the look of those. And then, but one of the shelves is about 3 or 4 inches longer than the other, and I could, put the smaller shelf on top, but I want my shelves to be equal above. So I'm going to have my husband take the brackets off. I need to refresh the finish. I'm going to keep them wood color, and then I may even have to spray paint the brackets. But for $10 for both shelves is an incredible deal. I couldn't have bought the brackets for $10 in addition to the stain and the wood and everything that goes with it. So I thought this was a great Goodwill find for $10. So the next couple days I'm going to be working on these 4 projects, and I'll come back and show you the finished result. Alright friends, it has been a week, and I've been working really hard to get some of these upcycles done for you so I could show you what I did with them. If you recall, this really ugly metal coffee cup, and here's what I did with it. On the back I found a vintage coffee graphic, and with my Silhouette machine, my Silhouette software, I was able to trace it and just put it on there with some adhesive vinyl, and I just love the look of that. It says fresh brewed coffee served here, have a cup. Thought that turned out so cute. I'm gonna hang this behind my coffee station. All right, here is that little utensil and napkin holder. All I did was I decided just to keep the inside the same color because I liked the color. It was just neutral enough. And what I did is I painted the outside all black, and just about the paint was probably 90% dry, I went over it with white so that what little black was still wet kind of smeared with the white and kind of gave a gray streaky look. That's all I did. And I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up a pack of these little hinges for $2. 40% off, so maybe, you know, a little over $1. And I just nailed these little hinges on the end of them just to give it a little character. And then I took some black adhesive vinyl and put that on both sides, let's eat. And I just thought this was so adorable. I paid $1 for this little caddy. And how cute will this be this summer for utensils and napkins for a cookout? All right, the third thing, I really need to do one more coat on this, and I'm going to insert a picture here of the Hearth and Hand little houses that inspired me to buy these in the first place. Is you'll see that those were just little white porcelain houses that they used for little bud vases. And so I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to use these, but by painting them white, it totally took the Christmas look off of them. And I just love the look of them all solid white. I may do one more coat. I just bought some spray paint, and since the roofs were darker, it's coming through a little bit, so it probably needs one more coat. But I'm going to find somewhere to stick these, and I just thought they turned out adorable. Now let's go outside on my back porch and I'll show you what I did with the wicker tray. Here we are in my back sun porch, and it is really filthy for the pollen and everything, but I just wanted to do I just put this together super quick just to show you what I was going to do with it. This is a little patio table between two wicker chairs, and I didn't want it black just because I knew it would blend all in, the black furniture and the black everything. So I just found some little things to put on there. All that stuff is thrifted. The only thing that's not thrifted is this right here, this little fake rosemary or whatever it is, and I got that for like $1 and something at Hobby Lobby. So all I did was spray paint that little tray, and it really coordinates with all my wicker furniture. Now let's go back in and let me show you. I did get an opportunity to finish those wood shelves. I waited till the next morning so I could get some more natural light in my downstairs bathroom, but here are my shelves, and I just love the look of them. I didn't even repaint the brackets. I just wiped them off really good, but I did refresh the stain using some polyacrylic Mission Oak with an old sock, just rubbed it on there. It's the best stain. But everything on these shelves have been thrifted, minus the little galvanized sign and the little Dollar Tree flowers. But up at the top left, this is one of the little lanterns I showed you that I redid. The lantern, the globe, and the little ring of berries cost me $3, and I had the little taper. The little pitcher I got for $2, the birdhouse $2, the cotton bowl $1, the little metal piece I paid $1.20, and the wooden corbel I painted and distressed, and I paid $1.99 for that, along with a 59-cent doily. And the shelves are 10, so I have less than $25 tied up in this whole setup, and I just love the look of it. So I hope that these upcycle projects will encourage you to try thrifting sometime. It's one of my favorite things to do, is to find something and make it beautiful again. I appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.